Aloha guys, Patrick here from PatrickLongRealty.com, and today we're going to be spotlighting this beautiful property out here in Mililani town, listed for $1.275 million. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, just over 1,600 square feet. Let's check it out. Now, it'll be very obvious to you that this house has been completely redone, as it has here in 2025, but it has a load of modern fixtures and amenities that you probably have never seen before. So let's walk you through this amazing property. Now again, this home was built probably in about 1980, as it is in Mililani town, but it definitely has been renovated and modernized. And starting in the kitchen, we can see that they have the quartz countertops, waterfall style. They have gold fixtures, stainless steel appliances, and have a nice design touch when it comes to the light fixtures as well as the accent wall. One thing that you'll notice out here in Hawaii is as families grow, they need more square footage. So a lot of times you'll see properties that are 3-bedroom, 1-bath, and maybe they don't have a bunch of square footage, only 900 square feet, but what they actually do is they extend out by utilizing what once was most likely a lanai, and that's when you see these step downs, which is very normal. But you can see that they've utilized the space really well to create a living room, and again, with these modern touches with the split AC and this accent wall with the LED lights behind, is absolutely stunning. Another new thing that I've been seeing in some of these new constructed homes is how they change the lighting and the mood, and that can really change how you feel in the morning. You might not want the house to be super bright, so they actually have this setting where you can change it to mood lighting by simply switching it twice. Now I see most likely 10 to 20 homes a week, and I see a lot of different things, but I have never seen anything like this before. This actually has a feature where it shows you the temperature gauge up top, as well as it allows you to clean the sink as if you're in a kitchen. And I might ask yourself, why would I need that? Well, I know my wife would love that, because when I'm shaving and my hair goes everywhere, it allows me to quickly clean it. So that's a really, really cool touch to the property. All right guys, well that pretty much wraps up our video for our $1 million listing out here in Mililani. If you guys have any questions about any properties out here in Oahu, feel free to reach out to me. I'm Patrick with PatrickLongRealty.com, powered by eXp Realty. Hope you have a beautiful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Aloha.